I've been thinking about doing this for a while. I don't know. I think it'll probably look pretty cool. I guess we'll just have to go ahead and find out. But the left side or the right side is the real question. I think we're gonna have to go with the left side over here. Peel this off. Let's see. Just gonna stick it like that. I really like how this sticker looks. Put that one right there above it. Try to get it as straight as possible, like so. Now, all I need is a 3.8 performance sticker on here and we're good to go. All right, I'm not gonna lie. The alignment might not be the greatest. Let me know in the comments below if you guys think I should keep that there or not. I think it looks pretty cool, but maybe it's a little bit too ricey. Let me know what you think. I just left Advanced Auto. I was picking up some 5/16 heater hose. I need to go ahead and extend the throttle body coolant lines. I've yet to do that since I've installed the manifold riser. I've been putting it off for, I don't know why exactly. I've just been putting it off. So we're gonna go ahead and get that done in today's video. But before we do that, I just got the notification that the roof spoiler has arrived. So let's go ahead and go home, get that thing installed since that's what you guys clicked for, and then we'll get these coolant hoses on. All right, everybody, here it is. Hopefully it's not too dark in here. Hopefully you guys will actually be able to see this, but let's go ahead and get this thing cut open. All right, let's see how she looks. The box is a little destroyed. Hopefully the spoiler won't be destroyed as well. Here it is. Oop, it's a lot bigger than I thought it would be, honestly. And it almost looks like it's fake carbon fiber, which is kind of upsetting, honestly. But yeah, here it is. Rip that open. Let's pull this puppy out now, see how she's looking. And it's wrapped up again. Oh yeah, it's fake carbon fiber. I don't think that's real carbon fiber. Doesn't look too bad though, honestly. It looks pretty cool. And on the car, I think it should look pretty good. Let's go ahead and get this thing installed now. Should be pretty easy. All right, so the first thing we're gonna do, we obviously gotta get the surface cleaned off. So we're gonna go ahead and wipe it down with some Windex. Should be good. We got it all cleaned up. Now I guess we just need to start peeling this 3M off and stick it up there. That scared me. I had no idea what that was. Here's the instructions, by the way. It's nothing too complicated, just a 4-step little piece of paper, basically. Telling you to clean it, stick it, and you're good to go. Well, it says the ideal temperature for product installation is 70 degrees and above. Temperature right now is 51. I mean, all right, now we just got to get it lined up. All right, so, I mean, once we go to... Okay.
Get it lined up.
Hold on. I think it's looking good, for real.
Yeah, it's good over here.
I'm peeling away. All right, now we just need to probably put some pressure on it for a few minutes. There's more room over there than over here, but I mean, like, unless you're literally sitting here inspecting it, you won't see it. It's pretty easy, to say the least. That took like 4 minutes, maybe max. I guess I could go ahead and peel this little...
I got it.
Oh, you already got it? A pretty nice quality little emblem right there, if you want to be real.
It is, it's like a little
metal, yeah. All right, now that we got that done, we're gonna go ahead and get these coolant hoses off and get the longer ones on here. All right, so the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna get these 2 coolant hoses off right here. One of them's right there, and the other one is right here. We got a bunch of paper towels down here just to keep coolant from leaking on anything, and yeah, should be pretty easy. I'll update you guys after we get them off. All right, we just finished getting these 2 coolant hoses off. Now, I'm not exactly sure how long the new ones need to be. I've got 2 feet right here, so we're just going to basically make them 1.5 inches or so longer than the existing ones. So yeah, we're gonna get this cut, and I'll show you guys what it looks like. All right, we got the first one cut. This was the longer of the 2. We're gonna go ahead and stick it on and see if it fits. We just went ahead and cut the second one as well. We got both of them cut, so now we're gonna get them fit on there. All right, we got the first one installed. It was fairly simple. I'm not gonna lie, it'd be a whole lot easier if you get rid of the intake, but you can definitely squeeze your way down in there. So we're gonna go ahead and get the second one installed, and then I'll get back to you guys after that. All right, now we got the second one on there. I definitely gotta say, if you guys get yourself a manifold riser, just go ahead and do this whenever you put the manifold riser on, so you don't have to do it later. It'll make it a whole lot easier, but still, it was pretty easy, and now it's taken care of. All right, everybody, we just finished getting everything installed. Now, I'm gonna go ahead and say, the longer coolant hoses, the only reason you need to install those is if you have a manifold riser. And if you have a manifold riser or plan on installing one, I would definitely recommend just going ahead and putting the longer coolant hoses on while you're installing that. It will make the process so much easier. Or you could go ahead and do the coolant bypass mod, but I chose the longer coolant hoses. Now, as for the roof spoiler, I'm not gonna lie, in the sun, it looks pretty good. It is somewhat annoying that it's fake carbon fiber. I would have much rather just have gotten a black polyurethane one without a finish or anything like that, just so it didn't look fake carbon fiber. Basically, like in the sun you can definitely tell, but also in the sun it actually looks pretty good. Like, I'm not gonna lie, like you can tell it's fake, but the quality of it and everything is it's great. Honestly, it looks really good on the car. So there's one more thing I want to talk about before we wrap this video up, and that is the other day I put up a poll on the channel and asked you guys what you guys want to see on the channel first: wheels and tires, headers in a tune, or a carbon fiber hood, a ported throttle body, and other things like that. And honestly, it's a pretty close call. The headers in the tune and the wheels and tires are basically neck and neck. So let me know in the comments below what you guys want to see first: wheels and tires or a header and a tune. Now, in my opinion, I think it would be smarter to get wheels and tires first, because I already have trouble putting down the power that I have, and going ahead and adding more power will just make it spin even worse. So in my opinion, I would like to go with wheels and tires first, but honestly, I want to know what you guys want to see. So let me know in the comments below what you guys want to see. Actually, real quick, there's one more thing I want to talk about. So I just want to talk about all the things that I have coming in. I told you guys that I had diffuser and side skirts ordered. Well, the diffuser did not fit and the side skirts were ugly, so I'm going to go ahead and show you guys the side skirts real quick so you guys can understand why I did not want to bolt them onto my car. So here is the side skirt in all of its I guess glory, you could say. It's literally just a black piece of polyurethane. Like, I thought this blade stuck out, but no, this blade goes right up against your car, and it's just like, I don't want to screw this into the side of my car. So these are getting returned. I'm trying to get everything figured out with that. I made the smart choice of throwing the box away before I figured out if I wanted to put them on or not. So now the challenge is finding a box that'll fit those things in them. But yeah, new side skirts are on the way. I thought they were going to be here beginning of this week, but they still haven't shipped. So hopefully by the end of this week, they will be installed and the video will be up on the channel. And then also, this is fake carbon fiber. Yes, that's annoying, like I said previously, but I do have some real carbon fiber on the way. It is not a hood, but it is something in this back area that's gonna look super sick in my opinion. So make sure you guys stay tuned for that. That honestly might get here before the side skirts get here, so if it does, that video will be up first. But like I said, that is really going to wrap it up for this video, everybody. If you guys enjoyed this one, do not forget to drop a like and subscribe. Peace out. I will see you guys in the next one.